Hi. You got a ball there and you got a dog? Are you petting Sugar? Hi, Sugar. Oh, did she lick you? Oh, she's petting you now. Sugar's petting you. Yeah. Yeah. What do you think of your new friend? Oh, she's gonna lick you. Where'd she go? Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. What's she doing? Go get her. She's looking at Sugar over here. She's waving at her. Hi, Sugar. Oh, Sugar's coming to say hello. Oh. Nature.